If you want to disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone for good, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to properly disconnect an AirPod from an iPhone with some simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Option 1. Temporarily disconnect. If you just want to stop using them for now, but keep them paired, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Tap the AirPlay icon. It looks like a triangle with circles. From here, select iPhone instead of your AirPods. Your iPhone will now use its built-in speakers, and your AirPods are disconnected, but still paired. You can reconnect anytime by selecting them again from here. Option 2. Disconnect via Bluetooth settings. To do this, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap the eye icon next to their name. Go to the bottom of the page and tap Disconnect. This stops the connection, but your iPhone still remembers them. Now, if you want to fully unpair the AirPods from your iPhone, just come back to your AirPods menu from the Bluetooth settings. Go to the bottom of the page, and instead of disconnecting, tap Forget this device this time. If you confirm the prompt from here, your AirPods will be removed. But remember, this removes them completely and you'll have to pair them again next time. So that's basically it. Now you know all about disconnecting your AirPods properly from your iPhone. If this helps, then don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more AirPod tutorials and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.